These are the essential floral parts. Right now you can see three V-shaped structures. These comprises the stamen, whereas the centralmost green part is known as the carpel. These two will help out in the sexual reproduction in a flower. That is why we call them essential floral parts. Here you can see four stamens, and collection of stamens makes the androecium. There are bilobed anthers at the top, and there is a tube-like structure at its base which is known as filament. So right now you are observing four stamens. This is a carpel divided into stigma, style and ovary. Ovary is a swollen structure at its base. It contains numerous ovules, and inside each ovule one female gamete is present.